Today, I'm going to talk about the top 5 ways to retain key employees. The first thing we need to talk about is what is a key employee? A key employee is an employee that has decision-making capacities or is in a vital role, such as a top salesperson, a key executive, someone whose presence is important to the profitability of the company. Before I talk about the 5 ways to retain key employees, I want to talk a little bit about Cunningham Law. Cunningham Law is a law firm that focuses on business law, estate planning, and tax matters. Today, we're going to focus on the business law section and focus on key employees. So why is it important to retain a key employee? Well, the cost of replacing an employee can range from 50% to 400% of that employee's annual salary. A company puts a lot of time, effort, money, and training into a key employee, and if a key employee leaves, that company loses all of its investment. So let's talk about 5 ways to retain key employees. The 5th way is what most people do, and that's providing discretionary bonuses at the end of the year. It's great for an employer because you can provide a discretionary bonus depending upon the financial condition of the company at the end of the year. If the company is doing well, maybe the discretionary bonuses are higher. If the company is not doing so well, the discretionary bonuses may be lower. 70% of high retention risk employees say that they would have to leave their organization to advance their career. How does that apply to discretionary bonuses? Well, if all you do is provide discretionary bonuses, the key employees are not dialed in. They don't know what they're going to receive, and they may not be incentivized to stay or to help produce. So another way to retain key employees is to have a bonus program that's tied to performance. Their company determines key metrics that have to be met. If the employee meets those metrics, they get a certain bonus. It may be a percentage of their salary. It may be a percentage of sales. It all depends on the unique circumstances of your particular company. Bonus programs that are tied to performance are great for an employee. They know that if they do a certain thing, they know what they're going to get. That allows them to be dialed in, that allows them to participate, and it is more likely for them to stay. The downside for the company is that when that performance is met, the company has to pay it, regardless of the financial situation of the company. But it is a better way to provide a bonus program than the discretionary bonus program. The 3rd way is to provide profit sharing. If the company is doing well, the employee will receive a share of the profits. If the company is not doing well and there aren't any profits, the employee doesn't share in the company's profits. So it is tied more to the overall health of the company. It helps an employee feel like they're part of the company since they are sharing in the direct profits of the company. And it's a pretty good way to have employees feel like they are valued. The 2nd way to retain a key employee is to have a really good, healthy benefits package. That would be health insurance, a 401k plan. In fact, 78% of employees reported they're more likely to stay with an employer because of their benefits program. So if you want to retain your key employee, make sure you have a good benefits program in place. And on some of the 401k plans, you could actually have some matching programs, maybe a little bit of a profit sharing element. So you could combine the 3rd and 2nd way to make it an even stronger incentive for an employee to want to stay. The last way to retain a key employee is allowing that employee to earn or receive an ownership stake in the company or buy an ownership stake in the company. Having ownership in the company obviously will allow the employee to feel like they are an owner. They may be more incentivized to put in longer hours. to be part of the team. However, there are some significant tax and business issues that arise when you give a employee a partnership interest. What happens if that employee decides to leave? What are the parameters? It's very important for you to talk with your business law attorney before you give an employee an ownership stake. Too many times I see friends give their friend or a key employee an ownership interest only to have that relationship deteriorate. And because it was not properly documented, it could lead to litigation, the loss of friendship, or it could even destroy the business. So it's very important that you talk to a business law attorney to make sure we structure it in the best way for your particular circumstances. If you want to learn more about ways to retain key employees, about offering ownership interests, or anything else regarding your business, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.